Are you a realtor struggling to make your listings stand out? What if I told you that the secret to closing deals faster is just a clean home away? Meet TidyTex Home Cleaning, where military precision meets home cleaning excellence. Based in San Antonio and proudly veteran-owned, we specialize in transforming homes, ensuring they shine before every open house and buyer visit. Our reliable team offers quick turnarounds, giving your listings the sparkle they need to make a lasting impression. Imagine a potential buyer walking into a home that's spotless, fresh, and welcoming. That's where we come in. Plus, here's a tidy tip. Before a showing, open all the blinds and turn on the lights. A well-lit home feels inviting and highlights its best features, making it easier for buyers to envision their future there. With TidyTex, you get more than just cleaning. You get a partner dedicated to helping you sell homes faster. Remember, a clean home is a sold home. For more details, check the video description below and contact us today via our website or phone at 210-951-8206. Let's make your listings shine with TidyTex.